Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. You can use a screwdriver to help you.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing, place the arm gently back onto the windscreen, lift up the arm of the windshield wiper, incline the blade to 90 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.